Hello and thank you for watching today's unboxing and assembly video. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the Pride Heritage lift chair that's model number LC358. The box comes on a pallet, it's tied down with some pallet straps. Simply cut those straps and then the top of the box is going to come loose and you can just pick it straight up to unveil the lift chair. You'll notice that the base of the chair is kind of standing on its back and then the back of the chair is resting on the top part of the seat, and then you'll see the little bag at the bottom that contains the headrest cover, armrest covers, the remote control, and the battery backup. I'm going to go ahead and remove the backrest of the chair and go ahead and uncover it. It does come with some styrofoam sheeting. Just go ahead and place that to the side. Make sure to keep all of your packaging for the first 5 days in case you need to return your chair. There are some corners that are used to protect the chair during the shipping process. Go ahead and unwrap everything. Remember to always read your user manual in its entirety so that you know how to operate your chair correctly. What we're doing here is identifying where the legs are, the bottom part of the chair if you will, and then we're just going to tilt the chair forward so that it's sitting on its legs. You may need to go ahead and shimmy the chair out of the box. As you can see, the lip of the box gets caught on the back, but go ahead and work it off the box. We'll go ahead and clean up our area here and continue with the assembly process. Should only take about 5 to 10 minutes at most to assemble this chair once you know what you're doing. We're going to go ahead and point out that there are 2 rails on the left and the right side, and that's going to be used to connect the backrest of the chair where it has 2 slots where those rails slide right into. So again, on the right side and the left side of the backrest, you're going to see these little sleeves or slots, whatever you want to call them. The corresponding rails on the base of the chair will slide right into those sleeves and you'll hear a click when they're locked into place. So go ahead and start with one. In this case, we're starting with the left side. We're going to go ahead and get that rail to just go right in the sleeve, not all the way, just enough so that it's sitting there. Then we're going to move to the other side and we may have to apply a little bit of pressure to get that second rail into the sleeve. Once it's in, push down and you're going to hear a click on each side indicating that it's connected. You may have to do it a few times, but once you're able to pull up and it doesn't disconnect, that's when you know the chair is locked in there securely. The next thing we're going to do is untie the power cable, which is just tied down with a little twist tie. Just remove that twist tie and make sure that the cable is going underneath that piece of wood there that's covered, the black bar there, so that the power cable can connect to the backup battery freely and not get pinched with the back covering there of the lift chair. So now we're going to go into the bag with the user manual and the remote control. Get the remote control, pull it out of the bag, go ahead and uncover it. You'll see on the front of the remote there's actually a USB charging port, which is pretty convenient. You could charge your cell phone or other USB powered devices while you're on the chair. And what you need to do is basically connect the remote controller. There's just one connection that needs to be made here for the remote. It has a male and female harness adapter. You'll go ahead and see there at the base of the chair in the middle is the female end. Go ahead and grab the cable's male connection for the remote control and just slide it through the front of the chair so that it reaches through to the back there. And if you lift up the accessory cover, the repair cover if you will, you'll see that that cable made it through. And just go ahead and connect the male and female connector for the remote control. There is no wrong way to really do it. Just line up the pins in the holes, connect it, and then go ahead and drop down that little harness connector so that it's secure and it doesn't come out. You want to go ahead and make sure that the cable's tucked in nicely. And now what we're going to do is connect the battery back up. There's a wall outlet cable which attaches to one side, and then that power cable that we were working with earlier connects to the other side. Again, there's no wrong way to do it. Just carefully line up the connectors and plug that other end into a wall outlet and you'll have power. The remote control's up and down button will light up green when you have power. This chair comes with a headrest and 2 armrests inside of the bag that comes with the user manual and the power backup and the remote control. Go ahead and get those out and put them there if you wish. It is optional, not required. We're going to show you how the chair works. Since it is a LC model, it just has an up and down button. Very easy to use, not complicated at all. If you hold the up button, it'll go ahead and raise it to the lifted position. We did fast forward this video a little bit to save some time. Now if you hit the down button, it's going to lower you into the seated position, and if you continue to hold it, it will simply enter the full recline position. So that's why these chairs are called a 3-position lift chair. We have the fully reclined position, the seated position, and the lifted position. Those are the 3 positions that make this chair a 3-position lift chair. They're very convenient for those of you that don't want to use your leg muscles to get in and out of the chair. We offer this chair and all other lift chairs tax-free. Shipping is free on our website, mobilityscootersdirect.com. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to get notified when new videos come out just like it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.